Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Here's Akilah Zuraimi, and today in this video I would like to share the tutorial of how we can use a Quizlet, especially for all the teachers outside there. And I hope this video is very helpful for you. Enjoy! Okay, so the first step on how we can use Quizlet is, so basically you need to go Google Chrome and search Quizlet, which is Quizlent. After then, you can see the first link at the top. So when you see that, you need to click enter. And after you click enter, you basically can see the symbol of I am teacher at the center. So because of this tutorial for the teacher, you need to click that. And after you enter, you also need to sign up to make your Quizlet account. So for me, I prefer to continue with my own Google account because it will make it easier for me. Okay, so after you have done, the Quizlet asks your birthday. So you need to put your month of your birthday, date of your birthday, and also the year. And don't forget, select the box I'm a teacher. And you also need to create your username. So in this tutorial, as you guys can see, I create my username as a teacher Kila because I want my students to know that I'm a teacher Kila. Okay, after that, you can see the sign up button here, so you need to click it for done. Alright, so after you already signed up, as you guys can see at the left on your page, you can see a new class. So by this button, you actually can create your class. So for me, since I teach my year 5 students, so I will rename the class as Chemistry 5 Chengke. And the Quizlet also asks your school that where you teach. So since I teach as SMK Seri Iskandar, so I will put the name of the school at here. Okay, after you have done anything for this page, don't forget to create a class button at the bottom here. So when you already click that button, your class is obviously can see by here. So there are so many features. For example, members features. So by the members features, actually can invite your student user or your LMS, and also can invite by sharing a link. So for example, it's real easier if you're copying a link and share with your students. And also for the materials, and if you want upload your teaching material, as you guys can see here, the study guides. So you need to click the study guides button. Okay, so after you already click that study guide button, this has maybe you want to paste text or maybe you want to upload. So here the example that I used upload the file, and the Quizlet also can generate your upload file to make your students easy to read. As you guys can see here, the example that Quizlet already generated for you, so it will easier for you lah. And as you guys can see, the 3 dots here, you actually can edit title, view original upload, privacy setting, and maybe delete your slides and report content also. So as you guys can see, the button at the bottom right as study button, it has many games that your students can play, still related to your topics, like flashcards, practice questions, live blogs, blasts, and also match. And at the left side, you can see the practice test. Right, so here is the example questions that Quizlet already generate for you. So basically, these example questions is actually based on the file that you already uploaded before. Alright, so going back to your home page, another features for the Quizlet provide is study tools. So there has several things in these study tools. For example, Quizlet provide the games. For example, like Quizlet Live, Blast Match, and for the review and memorization is like flashcards, alerts, and also tests. So this tool is actually helps you to give your students. Alright, so as you guys can see, at the top has a plus symbol which is you can make a flash cassette. So click that flash cassette and it will bring you here. So by flash cassette, it's actually you can title with your flash cassette. So for example, since I teach a chemistry subject, so I rename as chemistry year 5. You also can add a description. Maybe you want to elaborate, or maybe you want to give the definitions, and when you're scrolling down, you also can give a subtopic for your subject that you teach. After that, you also can give a definition, maybe the elaboration of this topic, and all the important things here. You can write things here. Okay, so when you feel all done, you can click the create button at the top to make sure that all your teaching materials are still here and not missing. And not just that, the Quizlet also provide another games to get your students' interest. So for example, here, Quizlet already have the interesting test to make sure that your students feel excited to learn about your subject that you want to teach. And not just that, Quizlet also provide another games to get your students' interest. For example, block, or maybe at the end blast. So when your students play this game, your students will feel more energized and more excited, especially when their brains also can work function well. Alright, so I think that's all for me, and I hope this video is very helpful for you guys, especially the teachers that want to use Quizlet platform. And don't forget to like and share my videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day, everyone.